In today's video, I will show you how to get Spotify Premium for free on any device. So let's get started. Step number 1. Download and open Spotify. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Spotify and download it. Once installed, sign in to your account. Tap on the Premium section at the bottom right. You will see an option to get Spotify Premium free for 30 days. But we have to activate it through the web browser, so open your web browser and search for Spotify. Click on the official Spotify link and login. Here you need to enter your credit card or debit card details, including the card number, expiration date and security code. Scroll down and complete the purchase. Don't worry, you won't be charged for the first 30 days. That's it. Enjoy Spotify Premium free for a month. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.